So second one is it makes the soil porous due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. So when the you know that the plants are also respire as like a human beings. So like that only when the plants will be grown towards in a young one generation means so this is also is having or it may be a needs the gaseous state. So that's why this the manure that will be a helps to the soil become more porous, and then that is also helps to the exchange of gases become more easy. And then what are the differences between manure and fertilizers are there? So you just look after this slide. So your left side they have given fertilizer, and then the right side they have given manure. So first one, in that one, a fertilizer is an inorganic salt. The fertilizer is an inorganic salt, but manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residues. So here, so this one manure is a one of the natural fertilizer. So we can also call it as a natural fertilizer, and also the fertilizer we can call it as a chemical fertilizer. This is natural fertilizer, this is the chemical fertilizer. So second one difference is there. A fertilizer is prepared in a factories. So this the fertilizer or chemical fertilizer will be made or prepared in a factories, but the manure can be prepared in the fields. So here, because this will be made by the human waste and also plant residues and also cattle dungs, so that's why it will be prepared in the fields only. And then the fertilizer, a fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. So here the fertilizer does not give rise to the humus to soil, means the wet condition andre. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ more amount of water present ಇರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. So here, so this will be a gives rise to the humus to the soil. And then fertilizer are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So I already told that one. So particular nutrient will be presented in the fertilizer, but manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಮೋರ್ ಫರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ having the less amount of an particular nutrient like a nitrogen, or it may be a phosphorus, or it may be a potassium. So these kinds of nutrients will be added into the soil. So but manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients, ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟು ದ ಮೋರ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಟು ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ harms to the plants, crop plants, when we add the more amount of an chemical fertilizer into the soil means it will be a effect to the crop plants. But the manure, when we add the more amount of an manure, it does not gives rise to the any effect to the crop plants, and also it will be a gives rise to the more fertility to the soil. But this one chemical fertilizer, it will be a effect to the soil texture, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ನೇ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೊ ಅದು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಮೋರ್ ಫರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್. So again, another one of the differences we have to be said that in a fertilizer and manure means, so this is the fertilizer will be a dissolve in a water, but the manure does not dissolve in a water. For example, so as like a sugar crystal fertilizer, that will be a look like a sugar crystal. When we add the fertilizer into the water means that will be dissolved, but manure does not dissolve in a water like a cow dung. So you just add the some cow dung into the water means what will happens, it will does not dissolve in a water. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೌಡಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕರಗಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್. So that will be float on water, that is we can call it as bulk on medium. So this is the differences between manure and fertilizer. Dear children, I hope you have understood the concept about the manure and fertilizer. In the next class we will continue the further concept. Okay, thank you.